Every few decades, certain industries develop quietly in the background until they abruptly surge into substantial wealth creators. Presently, in India, there are 5 such sectors. They are feasible to enter based on local strengths and poised to facilitate significant growth by 2030. While most individuals continue to focus on outdated markets, savvy investors and entrepreneurs are already establishing their presence here. Let's explore what they are and why they are significant. We've dedicated over 30 years to assisting Indian businesses in recognizing and dominating high-growth sectors. Our research is based on more than 50 government documents, over 100 interviews with industry experts, and exclusive market data that isn't available in the public domain. These are not merely concepts, they are validated opportunities supported by success narratives and tangible outcomes. 5. Lab-grown diamonds from graphite. India is already a worldwide frontrunner in diamond cutting and polishing, but it is now advancing into lab-grown diamonds produced through HPHT and CVD reactor technology that converts graphite into beautiful gems. These are chemically authentic diamonds, but without the ecological harm of mining. With sustainability emerging as a crucial factor, particularly among younger consumers, this market is anticipated to expand from 1,200 crore in 2025 to over 3,500 crore rupees by 2030. India has the workforce, infrastructure, and export capability to spearhead this initiative. High profit margins, strong international demand, and ethical attractiveness make this one of the most thrilling investment sectors currently. 4. Cottonseed oil extraction. Frequently disregarded, cottonseed oil exemplifies the conversion of waste into wealth. Once cotton is processed for fiber, the seeds are extracted and refined into edible oil, a fundamental product throughout India. With a market already valued at 220 billion, it's a discreetly booming industry growing steadily at a 3-5% CAGR. Due to the abundant cotton supply in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh, access to raw materials is not a problem. The manufacturing process is uncomplicated and makes use of existing oil processing technologies. This is a stable, high-volume industry with potential for value enhancement through branding and packaging. 3. Spice processing and packaging. India leads the global spice market, but the true profit isn't in raw spices. It lies in processed, blended, and well-branded items, with the spice market projected to increase from $19 billion in 2025 to $10, $41 billion by 2030. The need for clean, organic, and specialty blends is rapidly elevating. Manufacturing involves drying, grinding, blending, and packaging, and even small-scale participants can enter this arena with lucrative returns. With e-commerce facilitating access to global customers, this is a timeless, export-friendly industry. 2. BLDC Fan Manufacturing. BLDC fans represent the future of energy-efficient home appliances, utilizing 65% less electricity than traditional models. As energy costs escalate and green building regulations become stricter, the demand for these fans is accelerating swiftly, expected to reach 35 billion in 2025 and increase significantly by 2030. The manufacturing process includes motor assembly, electronics integration, and casing, all of which can be sourced locally or in large quantities. With government backing for energy-efficient technologies and rising consumer interest, BLDC fan manufacturing is a wise investment with enduring growth potential. 1. Curcumin extraction from turmeric. Everyone is familiar with turmeric, but curcumin, its active compound, is the true treasure. Utilized in supplements, skincare, and pharmaceuticals, it's in immense global demand. Rather than exporting unprocessed turmeric, Indian producers can now extract high-purity curcumin through solvent or co-based techniques. The curcumin market is projected to expand from 400 crore in 2025 at a CAGR of 10-15%. This involves a somewhat more technical setup, but provides premium margins and export opportunities, ideal for those prepared to invest in quality assurance and compliance. From sustainability to energy efficiency, these 5 sectors are not merely trends, they are megatrends. Each presents an opportunity to start on a small scale, expand quickly, and sell internationally. The chance to enter early is still available, but not for much longer. And that's where we come in. With more than 30 years of experience, we've assisted businesses throughout India in navigating and succeeding in emerging fields by providing comprehensive support from detailed techno-economic feasibility studies and thorough market analysis to equipment and raw material planning, process flow diagrams, and complete financial forecasts with ROI assessment. Whether you're in search of a ready-made solution or require something custom designed from the ground up, we customize each step to fit your objectives and resources. If you're prepared to transform data into intelligent, actionable decisions, contact us using the phone number or email listed in the description. And remember to subscribe for regular updates on high-growth prospects and future-oriented industries. Your next significant move starts here.